What is the advantage of using a dual pile towel for auto detailing? Hey guys, it's Lucas here and welcome back to Microfiber Monday here on the Euro YouTube channel. And today we're going to be exploring a collection of these amazing towels, the 16x24 380 GSM all-purpose dual pile terry weave microfiber towels. With double the power and half the hassle, let's see what these towels have to offer. These ultra-absorbent towels feature a unique dual pile design that effectively lifts dirt and grime from your vehicle's surface, leaving it gleaming with a streak-free shine. The advantage of using a dual pile towel is the distinct pile length on each side, allowing you to use the longer pile length for initial liquid absorption like washing or drying, and the shorter pile side for buffing and removing residue or for finishes, making it a versatile tool for various detailing tasks without needing multiple towels for different steps. So now we're going to be taking a look at the different variations that you can get with these towels. Here we have our blue, green, and black towels that come in a red trim, and then we have our yellow and red towels that come in a black trim. And all you have to do is pick the ones that you want and color code with them. Because these guys are crafted from premium microfiber material that is incredibly soft and gentle on your car's paint, it helps trap dirt and grime like a magnet. And its dual pile versatility makes it a favorite amongst detailers to tackle any detailing task. Not only that, but they're extremely durable and machine washable, making them a long-lasting investment for your detailing needs. And that's the end of this video. If you were interested in these towels, check the description below. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment on what kind of videos you want to see next. Follow us on our social media, and I'll see you in the next Microfiber Monday.